coming up.
Sige, konti na lang.
Pag panalo kayo, kayo na.
Team lapok. Lapok.
Cute po, cute. Cute po.
Parang iba. What's the name of your team?
Power pop.
Okay, so this team is Powerpuff Girls. We're going to ask.
Ayaw ka na. Ayaw ka na.
Hello guys, hello Philippines, hello Africa, and hello to the world. Welcome back to our channel, AfriFeel Vibes. So today we're going to have another fun and wacky game. So be ready for lots of laughs and friendly competition. Are you ready to play and win? Let's go!
Ready to play and win.
Baga kayo ng pangalan ng team nyo.
Ano? Ano ba? Sila mo
Lapok.
Lapok team. Pili ka lang.
Ano pangalan ng team nyo?
Lapok.
O, isa kayo ng ano tawag doon yung ginagawang...
Team, ano tawag doon?
Yung parang chant, parang gano'n.
Ladies first po. Head. Shoulder, knees, in toes. Pag panalo kayo, kayo na.
Okay, hello guys, welcome to our game for today. So our game for today is called What's Hangin? So it means meron nakasabit dyan sa inyo. What's hanging?
Will you please repeat?
What's hanging? Something like that. So the goal of the goal of the game is for you to push the ball using this eggplant, which we are going to tie around your waist. So you have to push the balls to up to the finish line there. So the ball needs to go inside that ring. Okay. So whoever wins from your team will be competing with the winner from that other team. So we have two teams. What's the name of your team?
Blossom, Bubbles, and Buttercup have dedicated their lives to fighting crime and the forces of evil.
Okay, so this team is Powerpuff Girls. We're going to ask the other team later. Okay, so what's your name, girl?
Ano po, Jewel po?
Jewel, from where?
Walang din.
Alanday. How about you?
Christine po.
Christine and
Eurisha po.
all from Valenzuela?
Marilao po.
Marilao. Okay, so we come from the same place. Okay. Okay, so are you ready? Oh, you choose which eggplant are you going to use?
Nakita mo kapit ba
Paano po yun?
So you have to tie it around your waist, and the eggplant should just be up to here. So it's like this, like
Knee level.
knee level.
Paganto siya guys.
So mahirapan ka mag-bend, sige ka. Baba mo pa konti.
Wala ka, nakaganon ka na.
Ayaw ka na.
Round one.
Position. So when I say start, you push the ball. You start pushing the ball. Okay? 1, 2, 3, start! Yeah, go!
Sanay yun.
Wala ka sa mo!
Galing yung blossom mo.
Lumayo! Sige, konti na lang. Lakasan mo na ano.
Galing ah.
Okay, congratulations. Okay, so you'll be competing with the winner from the other team.
How was it? How was the game? You are the winner.
Nah, I'm not.
Oh, she did it. Oh, congratulations.
Okay, so pangalan ng team nila. Anong pangalan ng team nyo? Lapok. Ano ibig sabihin ng lapok?
Cute po, cute.
Ah, cute.
Ang iba. Parang may hidden meaning.
Okay, sige. Game. What's your name? JM po. JM. Somewhere.
Bandayan.
Dayan. Kawayan.
Adrian po. Ikaw.
Kawayan.
Claude po.
Claude?
Claude po, Claude.
Sabi na, huwag ka nagalit.
Claude. Parang Claude Bantam. Okay. Ready na?
Uy, po, tinataas ko na nga. Tangkay nga daw sa gitna ngayon.
Knee level. Okay, sige. Ready. Position.
Second
You
round.
can bend already. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Naku, pagod na.
Go!
Ayaw tumama.
Ang bilis!
Bilis ah. Talong na ba?
Imposible ka.
Okay.
Final
Okay,
round.
so now we've come to the finals. So ano ang pangalan mo ulit, Ben? Christine.
JM po.
JM. So Christine is the winner from the Powerpuff Girls. And JM is the winner from the Lapok team. Okay, so they'll be competing with each other now. So whoever goes put the ball inside the finish line, inside the ring will be the winner of 500 pesos. Okay.
May rampita na tayo.
Wait lang.
Go! Lapok! Go! Go! Lapok! Lapok! Go! Lapok! Go! Go! Lapok! Lapok! Ako pa ba?
Ready? Interview muna natin. Ano masasabi mo sa kalaban mo?
Pahingi 100.
Nakakagigil ka.
How about you? Ano
Talo ka na!
Kay Christine. Hindi ka ba natatakot kay Christine?
Hindi.
Oh!
Sino pa yung
Bibigyan niya naman po kasi kwenta.
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
Okay, let's go. Let's start. Wait lang.
Excited?
Ready muna, ready. Okay, one, two, three, go!
Go, go, labo, labo, go! Labo,
Go!
Go, go, labo, labo, go! Labo, go, go, labo, labo, go!
Sige, relax lang po. Sige, kaya pa yan. Just concentrate.
Ayaw tumama! Pag nabasag, may panggawa ako.
Wow! Team Lapo.
Okay, so we have a winner. How do you feel? You win 500.
I feel good po.
How did you do it?
I'm an expert po.
You're an expert, so are you going to share your prize with your friends? Okay, so be ready. Okay, count this prize. You won 500 pesos. Very good. Congratulations. Okay, let's count your prize. One,
Dalawa! Tatlo! Apat!
500 pesos. Congratulations. Thank you, girls. Thank you. Okay, thank you for joining the game, guys. This was a good day. This was a fun day today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. This is our channel, AfriFeel Vibes. So thank you dun sa mga naglaro. Thank you dun sa mga sumali. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, AfriFeel Vibes. If you like this video, don't forget to like and put your comments on the comment section. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.
Ito din.
Basic to guys.
Shout out sa pamilya ko dyan.
Karot pala sa mama ko dyan guys. Ingat ka dyan boss.